Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are three exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Easy level. Nobody can find the odd letter J. Excellent, you picked the right one. Anybody can find the odd line emoji. Excellent, this one is the odd emoji. Find the odd letter FN. This one is the right letter. Focus Master can find the letter 85. Amazing, you are a focus master. Identify the different number. Amazing, you identified the right one. Puzzle Master can find the letter JC. Awesome, this one is the odd letter. Can you find the odd emoji within time? This one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find the number 93. This one is difficult, but you find it. Math lovers, can you solve this mathematics question within 15 seconds? The C option is the right answer. Find the unique letter within time. This one is the unique letter. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Find the odd number 888 within time. That's one, the odd number. Genius can find the odd number 147. Great, this one is the odd number. Find the odd emoji within time. Great job, you find it within given time. Find the odd letter HUN. This one is the odd letter. Amazing. Impossible to find the number 245. I know this was impossible, but you find it. Find the odd girl emoji within time. This one is the right one. Can you find the odd letter within time? Amazing, this one is the odd one. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? Yes, this one is the unique number. Can you find the odd number within time? Really, you are a genius. Pick the odd one number 515. Yes, you picked the right number. Anybody can find the odd letter PBL. Excellent. This one is the odd letter. One letter is different. Can you find it? Amazing. This one is a different letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 63 plus 24 minus 12 multiplied 2 divided by 2. Great. This one is the right answer. Eyes test. Find the number 151. Amazing! Your eyes like a eagle eyes. 2 exciting level done. Hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd cat emoji. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test. Find the number 4827. Wow, your IQ level like Einstein IQ. Can you see it? The odd letter within time. Excellent, you see it, the odd one within given time. Test your brain power, find the odd number. Excellent, your brain power like ChatGPT. Can you find the odd one emoji within time? I know this one is the difficult quiz emoji, but you find it. Test your visual skill, find the odd letter. Amazing, you passed the visual test. Test your brain IQ, find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find the right number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Nice, your 2 eyes like a 4 eyes. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Really, you have a sharp eyes. You find the right number. One letter is different. Can you find a different letter? This one is the different letter. The last one. Can you find the odd one letter? Amazing. This one is the odd one letter. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? And subscribe the channel.